Today we will show you how to make creamy uni pasta. Uni or sea urchin has a strong oceanic taste with a unique balance of sweetness and saltiness. It's commonly served in sushi, but it can be cooked into a rich, buttery, and delicious pasta sauce. We are using fresh sea urchin for the sauce. Save a few pieces to use for topping later. Peel a garlic clove and finely chop. Slice a quarter onion and chop finely. Bring a large pot of water to a boil with 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. We are using spaghetti, but you can use any pasta you like. Heat olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat and add the onion and garlic. Then cook for a couple of minutes. You may need to remove the pan from the heat briefly to adjust the timing with the pasta. 2 minutes before the pasta is done, add the sea urchin and sake to the onion mixture and cook for a minute. Although it's pricey, it's important you use fresh and high-quality uni from trustworthy seafood shops. Stir in the heavy cream and lower the heat to avoid boiling. When the sauce is warm, add the drained pasta to the sauce and coat it thoroughly. Season with salt and pepper and serve immediately. Garnish with extra uni and parsley if you like. Uni pasta is rich, creamy, and packed with umami, but the ingredients are simple as long as you can find the uni. Hope you can try this soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。